In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus on the top right one. Set up an hour and adjust all of those options however you want to. Over here, pick days of the week. Then click on alarm name to name it however you wish to. Scroll down and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to turn them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can click on each one and adjust it. Let's begin with alarm sound. After clicking on it, you can click on one of those sound sources. Adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. Hit ringtone and after tapping on allow, pick any song from your device by tapping on this plus at the top right corner. Clicking on the switcher next to play selected highlights to switch them off or on. Click on one of your songs and tap on done, or click on one of those melodies and go back. You can also use those two switchers next to those two features to switch them off or on. When you finished, go back. Click on vibration, pick one of those patterns, or select silent. Then click on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Following that, you need to go back and click on alarm background. Then choose allow all. Select background at the top left corner and click on one of those featured ones. Or select background and pick any photo from your device to set it up as your alarm background. When you finished, hit done at the top right corner. Then save over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off or on, click on this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, adjust it and hit save again. And to get rid of it, hold it, click delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!